Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will start reteaching maths for standard 6. Lesson number 10, mensuration. Let's start with reteaching of mensuration. Now mensuration we will be basically learning two important factors, perimeter and area. Now what is first we will learn about perimeter, revise. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. So any figure is given. Suppose if this is a figure and you go around the figure once, around the boundary. So that is called the perimeter. One more thing is that perimeter is equal to sum total of all the sides or all the lengths of the given figure. A figure can be a triangle, a rectangle, or any bigger figure, a parallelogram, a quadrilateral, or five-sided figure, six-sided figure. You just have to do the sum total of all sides to get your perimeter. Example, now this is a figure. So now what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay, sum of all sides. Now perimeter, now the sides are AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now AB is how much? 20 centimeters, BC is 15 centimeters, CD is 20 centimeters and AD is 15 centimeters. So we add all these. 20 and 20 is 40, 15 and 15 is 30, 40 and 30 is 70 centimeters. So the perimeter of this figure is 70 centimeters. That was a rectangle. Now similarly for the perimeter of a rectangle there is one more formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Like I will just explain it. Perimeter of the figure is what? Sum of all sides. Now when you add sum of all sides, it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now in this, AB is your length, BC is your breadth, CD is your length and DA is your breadth. So you are having your length 2 times and your breadth 2 times. So from this we can take it 2 into length plus breadth. So when you add length and breadth and you multiply it by 2, the formula is derived by that. So you can do it as 2 into length is how much? 10 and breadth is 6. So 2 into 16, that is 32 centimeters. Now if you add also 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 20 plus 26 plus 6 is 32. If you do it the other way round, you will get 32 centimeters. Next one, see this one more example is of a square. Okay, so perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So sum of all sides will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So it will be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That will be 24 centimeters. Similarly, perimeter of square can also be derived into 4 in length of a side. Length of a side, because the sides of a square are all equal. We have learnt it. So perimeter is equal to 4 into L. Now 4 into, what is your L? 3, that is 12 centimeters. Okay, this is from the formula, because all the sides, instead of adding all the sides, you can multiply. You know that addition, multiplication is repetitive addition also. Now suppose if I add 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So accordingly the formula has been derived. Important formula, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all sides are equal. So again, perimeter is of a equilateral triangle is 3 into length of a side. Now all the sides are equal, so I can do 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12 centimeters. On the other basis, sum of all sides, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. So your answer is coming to 12. More example, if I continue of an irregular figure. Now this is a irregular figure. Now I have to find the perimeter. Now perimeter will be the same as sum of all sides. So sum of all sides will be AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. We follow it AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FA. Now we will take the distances. 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. 10, 8, 4, 3, 2, 5. Please see that if it is a figure with more sides, you add the numbers properly. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 27 plus 5, 32 centimeters. And always remember to write the unit is also very compulsory.